24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically for the most part is drifting at $356,706,606, or so they especially thought. ADA down roughly 3.71% inside the pretty genuinely most recent 24 hours, which generally explicitly is very critical. Cardano's EMA10 really shows a kind of fundamentally descending pattern, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the specific past week, acquiring 5.76%, which actually for the most part is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. 13 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, genuinely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these often most certainly truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially is by and large transient cost expectation for Cardano, explicitly is ADA a very wise speculation. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, or so they for the most part in every practical sense, thought. Be that as it may, market investigation over the last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125, pretty further appearance how Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth, which is very huge. The for the most part kind of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $48,913,730,687 amazingly in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in a fundamentally in every way that really matters, significant way. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33% in a very huge manner, which is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of explicitly, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within the similar time period in an extremely significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP by and large in every way that really matters, is somewhere around 2.19 and at present exchanging at 65 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Moreover, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem, exhibiting that Cardano pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 5.76% in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in an especially beautiful descending bearing for present moment, sort of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping fundamentally truly profound into the ADA specialized examination, entirely all goals and purposes, let us in a real sense discuss the essentially current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. Which is genuinely critical. As of now, a truly broad in every way that really matters, especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very huge manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to generally especially recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way, in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers truly become significantly more especially dynamic and basically by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that help all things considered. Is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become certainly more especially dynamic and for the most part basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought incredibly. Similarly, opposition basically for the most part is a level at which vendors generally become move commonly dynamic and especially really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which shows that Cardano pick up bullish speed over the by and large certainly past week, acquiring 5.76% in an unpretentious manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA, Cardano execution ADA in every way that really matters, basically has recorded a downtrend, losing 3.71% in by and large most recent 24 hours, showing that ADA down roughly 3.71% inside the most recent 24 hours in a truly lovely significant manner. The ongoing worth of Cardano really is drifting at 37 cents, with the exchanging volume of $356,706,606 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, fundamentally kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they in every practical sense, thought. The especially by and large market cap for ADA most certainly is $13,183,963,420 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 5.76% throughout the week, or so they for the most part explicitly thought incredibly. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 13 November. We utilize most certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including essentially beautiful straightforward moving especially truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Cardano in a fundamentally enormous manner without a doubt. The ADA United States dollar moving pretty beautiful normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer especially is demonstrating a truly present moment, basically sell truly lovely sign, as the MACD line generally is moving underneath commonly genuinely signal line which especially implies most certainly in every practical sense, bears fundamentally are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting that Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a genuinely descending pattern in a genuinely large manner. While ADA's Williams %R marker essentially is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, commonly signal in a real sense fundamentally is especially conceivable at this reach in an unobtrusive manner, or so they essentially thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and explicitly is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength in an unobtrusive manner in a very large way certainly. The prompt obstruction for ADA sort of truly is in every practical sense, explicitly found at 40 cents, and a breakout from this level could especially leads towards the kind of by and large next opposition, which can actually in a real sense be for the most part found at 42 cents. Showing how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a sort of commonly descending heading for extremely present moment, pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging certainly all things considered, profound into the ADA specialized examination, let us especially basically discuss the truly kind of current economic situations. Or so they basically thought. On the in every practical sense, other hand, in the event that the bear in a real sense assume command and ADA cost for the most part, neglects to all things considered, truly break out above 40 cents, it could fall back towards the vital help at 35 cents in a huge manner, which is genuinely critical. Cardano explicitly has sort of not many recuperation risks and could sort of keep testing quick obstruction level of 40 cents before long, showing how 13 November 2023